Okay. Hi, my name's Claire and I have a business called Crystals and More. And part of our business is that we sell HotFix crystals, which are crystals that already have the adhesive on them. So that's why they're called HotFix. Now I'm going to demonstrate how easy they are to use. You don't need to be extremely crafty to do this. Anyone can do it, you just need a bit of imagination. So for today I have a pair of shoes, simple little Kmart shoes, that I'm going to use this pattern here to make a cute little crystal pattern. Now you'll notice here I've got the 3mm clear SS crystals and I'm simply picking it up. Now I don't need to use a lot of pressure for this. You just pick it up, the crystal heats up and the glue on the back there melts, as you can see. We're then going to place it on our shoe like so. Now we're going to just follow the pattern for this one. Okay, so with the sparkly side of the crystal facing up, we pick it up and we put it down. And it is as simple as that. Now sometimes if they do flip over in there, as you can see that one has, we just get an awl or pair of tweezers and we just get that out. No problem, it's out. We'll start again. Okay, so we're just going to pick up the crystal heats up, the glue on the back there melts. Pop it on your project and that's it. If you are putting these on clothing, it never hurts to pop the clothes inside out, give it an iron on the back where possible, and then it's fine to go through the wash. All the glue should then have been melted and the crystals will stick perfectly. We're just going to keep following this pattern along. Nice and easy. Like I said, you're going to make sure all the crystals are facing upwards. Okay. We're just popping the crystals where the little dots are. Keep the pattern going. When you first put it down, there is a little bit of room for movement before the glue pulls down too much. You can just get simple patterns out of colouring books and things like that to create really cute little pictures on kids' pants or tops. If you've got a dance school, super easy because this is much easier than sequining. Spoken like somebody who has done years of sequins. Make sure you only pick up one at a time. Move that into position. Now, there are 5 different sizes that you can get. So at the moment I'm working with 3SS. Now 3SS is the, it's 10SS, which is the 3mm crystals. We also have the smaller 2mm and larger 4, 5 and 6mm. So depending on what you want for your project, we've got a size for everything. And of course the colour ranges are amazing, especially if you start going into the Aurora Borealis. There's all different types of colours surrounding those. Now, because you are far enough away from where the heat is, kids with supervision are able to use this because there is no need for them to touch the applicator. Well, the hot part of the applicator, that is. Beautiful. And we have nearly finished this shoe, which goes to show how easy this is. you're Taylor Swift, a bit of a Swiftie, you can use this to jazz up your clothes before you go. Almost done. And I flipped that over in there. That's easy enough fixed. Pick that up. Put it on. Now the crystals always work better on a fabric that is porous. If you're trying to put it on something like a mobile phone case or your Stanley cup, which everyone seems to be doing at the moment, just be aware that there is that potential for it to flick off. But on fabrics, they are amazing and they will happily go through the wash without any issues. 2 more little crystals. All right, and there we have it. So, bit of a difference. Now, you will notice that I have this one sitting here. Now, this is a flat hotspot. Now, because what we want to do is we are going to take one of our shapes. Now, we've got the love heart shape here. And we are going to simply pick that up. If I had tweezers that wanted to cooperate, and put that into our design. We're going to pop it in the middle here. Now once we've got the little love heart there in the spot where we want it, we grab our hot spot, which is nice and hot, and we make sure it's in the right spot, and we put some heat on. Now because the crystal is a bit larger than the 3SS clear crystals, we do need to leave it there a little bit longer. We're relying on the fact that the hot spot is going to heat up the crystal from the top and melt the glue on the bottom. So we do need to leave it there for about 30 seconds, making sure that it's well and truly melted so that it's definitely adhesed? Did I just make up a word? Definitely stuck to the shoe. Give it a few moments. It's not going to damage the shoe, it's just a bit of heat. It would only damage the shoe if it was actually touching that lovely fake leather. All right, once we think that that is all done, there we have it. Some cute little shoes. What do we think? Which one looks better? Don't know about you, but I like the sparkles. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. Email me if you have any questions.